Broken taps, screws, or drills bringing your production to a standstill? Meet the EDM Plus 3000-watt portable EDM tap remover, delivering 300 to 3000 watts of precision spark erosion. Safely extract taps from M2 up to M68, leaving threads and surrounding metal untouched. Compact, lightweight, with built-in handle and magnetic base for rapid setup anywhere. Submersible Pump flushes away particles continuously for clean, uninterrupted operation. One key start-stop, stepless current and depth control, auto feed and alarm functions, no special training required. /downtime, scrap and labor costs. This tool pays for itself from day one. EDM Plus 3000 watts by Safeguard Solutions. Safety, precision, portability, performance. Contact us for your quote.